GSL Powerwall Home Battery is an 48V 14.34Kwh LiFePO4 Lithium battery with more than 6,500 life cycles and 15 years warranty. It is UL 1973 and UL 9540 certified, matching with all 48V hybrid inverters. It can store energy, detect power outages and automatically become your home's energy source when the grid goes down. We equipped each battery with an independent battery management system, BMS, so you can easily manage and monitor your system operation and grid response using the GSL app.